Good morning, students. Today is Thursday, 30th July, and 2020. You are welcome in class Physics 10 PTB, and the unit we have started, that is geometrical optics, and the topic is example 1 and 2 on the page 43. If you look at the statement, please open your books and go through the statement with me. I'm going to read the statement. A convex mirror is convex, is used to reflect light from an object placed 66 centimeter in front of mirror. Here I have drawn a rough figure, although figure is not given, but I draw just a rough figure to show you. There is a convex mirror, outer curved shiny surface, inner curved polished, scuffed polished, opaque side. Object is this arrow at O, and I suppose it like it is 66 centimeter, and its focal length is minus 46 centimeter. F is minus 6 centimeter, and P we took 66 centimeter. We have to find out the location, that where would be the image formed, and its nature also. Find the location of the image. Location means position of the image, and image distance is represented by Q. Object distance is represented by the P, and image distance with the Q. So the formula 1 over F is equal to 1 over P plus 1 over Q. By rearranging the equation, we want to find the value of Q. Therefore, we will rearrange the equation, and it will become 1 over F is equal to 1 over P minus 1 over 1 over F minus 1 over P. After when we place the values and solve it, 1 over Q is equal to minus 1 over 46, the value of F, and the value of P is 66. Now, of course, both are the minus sign, and we will take its LCM and solve, and after making simplify, we get minus 1 over 27. Why? 1 over Q is equal to minus 1 over 27. It means Q is equal to minus 27. Here, minus sign represents that the image will be formed behind the mirror, and this is our Q. This distance is our Q, mean the location, the distance from mirror. So if you observe the figure, two things: image is formed behind the mirror, and it's upright. It's represent upright position, and behind the mirror it shows that the image is virtual. In this case, image will be the virtual. So minus sign represent the virtual. The minus sign represent the virtual image, and also that it will be formed at the behind of the mirror. Now the next example, an object is placed 6 centimeter in front of concave mirror. In this case, the mirror is concave and the distance of object from the mirror is 6 centimeter in front of concave mirror and had 10 centimeter focal length. So the distance is placed in front of concave mirror. Object is placed at a 6 centimeter, whereas the focal length of mirror is 10 centimeter. In this case, in this example, the mirror is concave. Now, when we use the formula and we observe, we find 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. So, after rearranging, because we have to find the value of q, location, the position of the image. So, when we rearrange equations, 1 over q is equal to 1 over 10, 1 over f, the value of f is 10, minus 1 p, the value of p is 6 centimeter. And now after when we take its LCM and solve it, and we get 1 over 15 minus 1 over 15 minus 1 over 15, it shows that image is behind the mirror. Again, in this case, behind the mirror, image is virtual. Behind the mirror at a distance of minus 15 centimeter. So my dear students, in both of the cases, you have learned that when the answer, the image comes with minus signs, it means that the image will be a virtual. Moreover, the upright and minus sign both represent that image is virtual. Thank you and God bless you. Hopefully you have understand the examples, and please try to solve numerical number 1, 2 given in the exercise. This is your assignment. Solve numerical given in the exercise is numerical number 1 and numerical number 2. Thank you and God bless you. Have a nice day. Hopefully we will see each other after Eid. Wish you a very happy Eid.